Celebrations in the streets for a community whose luck has changed.
So much joy, so much emotion. We've cried, we've laughed, we've jumped. So much emotion, an enormous joy.
Spain's annual Christmas lottery bringing hope and more than 400 million euros to the northwestern province of León, where recent wildfires forced many from their homes and killed 3 people.
You don't know what this means. It's an injection of money, of hope, of motivation for the town, and we needed this motivation. This has been a very hard year. Of course, it won't take away the sadness, but a bit of joy is good.
Tickets are sold in groups of 10, with neighbours and workplaces often going in together and sharing bigger wins. Schoolchildren announced the news. For the winners, a €20 single ticket now worth 400,000.
Yes, I'm going to tattoo it. I'm going to tattoo it big, the number, the ticket. I'm going to tattoo the whole thing.
A dream come true for more than just the winners.
I never imagined this. Every 22nd of December, you dream that TV crews will come and you tell neighbours they'll see you on TV. But I never expected this. This is insane.
An event that has brought joy for locals who lived through despair only months ago. Veronica Lennard, SBS World News.